Travel season is here, and having the right luggage can make or break your trip. Whether you're jetting off for business or adventure, here are the top 5 best travel luggage picks on Amazon for 2025: stylish, durable, and ready for any journey. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Luggage, 25-inch Shadow Black. This 25-inch checked luggage offers premium design, 8 spinner wheels, and an integrated TSA lock. Built with high-density nylon fabric and DuraGuard coating, it's designed to resist stains and abrasions. The Platinum Elite feels luxurious and business-ready. It's ultra-smooth when rolling thanks to the Precision Glide system. Plus, the USB port and internal power bank pocket are perfect for tech-savvy travelers. Pros: TSA lock and USB charging port. Lightweight but durable. Smooth 8-wheel spinner system. Sleek, professional look. Number 2. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Softside Expandable Luggage, 25-inch black. This is one of the lightest checked bags in its class. The Maxlite 5 offers expandable storage for spinner wheels and sturdy polyester fabric with a water-resistant coating. The Maxlite 5 is a frequent flyer favorite for a reason. It's affordable, reliable, and easy to maneuver. The lightweight frame makes lifting it a breeze even when fully packed. Pros: very lightweight design, great value for money, smooth and quiet spinner wheels, water-resistant fabric. Number 3. SHOWKOO Luggage Set Expandable PC+ABS TSA Lock Mint Green. This vibrant set includes hard-shell suitcases made from durable PC+ABS material with double spinner wheels, TSA-approved locks, and expandable storage. The mint green color adds a trendy vibe. It's the perfect blend of affordability and style. The SHOWKOO set is shock-resistant and rolls effortlessly. Great for families or longer trips where multiple bags are needed. Pros: stylish and available in vibrant colors. Scratch-resistant shell. Comes as a set. Affordable. Number 4. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Carry-On, 21-inch spinner wheels. This airline-approved hardshell carry-on features expandable zippers, smooth spinner wheels, and a minimalist design. Built for durability with Samsonite's signature polycarbonate construction. This carry-on is built like a tank yet rolls like a dream. It's the ideal companion for weekend trips or business travel. Samsonite's reputation for durability holds strong here. Pros: tough Hardside shell, ultralight and compact, expands for extra space, premium brand reliability. Number 5. SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage, 21-inch black. This compact carry-on from SwissGear features reinforced corners, an expandable main compartment, and multiple front pockets for organization. Ideal for domestic or business travel, SwissGear nails it with function and durability. The interior compression straps and laptop sleeve make it a great pick for efficient travelers who want smart storage without extra bulk. Pros: expandable and highly organized interior, strong zippers and corner guards, lightweight and compact. From high-end luxury spinners to lightweight carry-ons, these are the top 5 best travel luggage picks on Amazon for 2025. No matter your travel style or budget, there's something here that'll make your next trip smoother and smarter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product roundups. And let us know which luggage you're taking on your next adventure.